Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yang Dior. I said I wasn't going to introduce myself no more, but I guess it's a habit. But I'm pretty sure you guys know who I am by now. Today's video, we are reviewing a wig from All Love Hair. This is my first talking video for a hair review in a long time. I decided to talk in this video because no reason, like I just promised you guys a talking video, so here it is. So yeah guys, this wig is from All Love Hair. It is a 4x4 closure and it's 24 inches. It's not giving me 24 inches vibes, it's giving me 16 or 20. So this is how the front look. I just plucked just a little bit over here because I like when that line is cut right there. I really don't like 4x4 closures because of this right here and on the other side, but you know, we don't, that's the point, like we here to make stuff work. So guys, before I lay my wigs, I always make sure that my edges is all the way back because I'm not trying to lose these again. I lost them already, just got them back, not trying to lose them again. Even these little hairs right here, I'm not trying to lose, so just be careful when you're putting your wigs down. I really hate 4x4 closures, like, okay. So I always put the wig on looking all crazy just to show you guys a before and after because I be finessing these sometimes. It all depends on your mood. Like I'm pretty sure y'all see that by now. I put some powder on the lace, but it wasn't dark enough clearly. So I'm just gonna go back in and I'm not sure if I'm gonna glue this down. I probably should. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna be like, yo, she does not listen. I probably don't. Like, I'm still using Ghost Bond. But I just probably just don't have the time to go and get, you know, what y'all talking about. But we just gonna put a little bit. So my Ghost Bond is a little bit rusty, as you guys can tell. I don't know if you could really tell, but it's mad rusty, like dried up. We gonna make this work. I think that's the only reason why I like doing my own hair, because just watching the wigs transform, like from it going like this to how it's about to look, amazing. We just gonna blow dry this until it turns a little bit clear. Gotta make sure that it's secured. You know what I should have did? I should have put an elastic band on, but it's only for today. See, the only reason why I did a talking video is because it's a 4x4. Like 4x4s is 2.5. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. See guys, I tried using my little razor, but it be hard. So I had to go ahead and get my big scissors. I told you I've been looking for them little tiny scissors. So if you know where to get them, just let me know down below. Well, I didn't decide if I was going to do a side or a middle part. Honestly, it's about to get me tight. So you already know I'm about to just do a middle part and call it a day. I don't know, I find middle parts mad boring. It's not that boring. It's going to be cute or and everything, but I don't know. I'm just going to separate my baby hairs. So since I separated my baby hairs, I'm just going to go ahead. So I'm going to spray my Got To Be spray right on just the middle. Just like that. And then we're not going to tie them down just yet. We're going to use our wax stick and we're going to push all the hair to the back. I really thought I was going to do a side part. So now we're just going to wait for the hot comb to get hot. Y'all better thank me later because I had to turn off my music for this. Like, I don't even know how I'm doing my hair right now with no music. That's cute. I've seen somebody do that before. Guys, I love how flat the front already is. Alright guys, so now you lay down your baby hairs. I really don't like closures, but you know, I'm here to make everything work, even when you guys don't like closures. Alright, so now that my baby hairs is tied down, This is so hot. I'm just gonna keep pushing this hair back. I'm gonna conceal in my part. I like doing that part too. I feel so good when I look so good. When I don't look good, it's like, what's going on? Are you okay? But yeah, y'all, I'm here to look good for y'all. I do this for y'all. Now I do this for myself, but for real though. Alright, gotta be real careful with this part because you don't want to get concealer everywhere. Like this right here just makes your hairstyle look so freaking professional. Like, but I did see a post where she concealed her part, but she OD'd with the concealer, and like they was like, this is not for everybody. First of all, yes it is, but just don't OD. Like, yes, that's how I like my part, like stupid concealed. If you gotta let it sit up there for a little bit, do that. Even if the steam is melting into your head, do that. I be straight burning myself trying to look good, like ridiculous. Alright, so now we're going to do the baby hairs. The baby hairs is going to determine what I'm calling this video, because if I don't finesse, then it's just going to be a regular video. But if I do finesse, it's going to be how do I turn a 4x4 into a frontal. Like a lot of hair for baby hairs, but I don't know. Let's see what we could do. So that's going this way. I'm straight teaching y'all how to do baby hairs. And then this is gonna go this way. That looks like a lot, right? It's hard out here. Woo! This is so scary. Like, I don't know why baby hairs is always so scary for me, because like it's just like, did you cut it right? I'm just like y'all. I'm learning just like y'all. Every video that I do, I'm going off of my instinct, like going off of everything is raw, no edit. How many times do I gotta say that? Alright, now we're gonna be using our Nairobi wrap. Once you got all the blue foam on top of the baby hairs, you can't go wrong with your art. It's not that bad. Over here. So I'm just gonna tie it down. So now we're going to curl this hair. So guys, it don't look too crazy, but like I said, this, like, it's a 4x4, you know, like that's nothing that you can't hide, but we're gonna try our best to hide that. So guys, this is semi the final look. You know, this is how the hair is starting to come out. This hairstyle still won't change the fact that I don't like 4x4 closures, but this is a good unit. So if you guys want to buy it, all the information is going to be down below. I'm going to be using my oil sheen spray, and I'm just going to put a little bit. I don't like putting a lot of grease in my hair, but I do like when my hair has that shine to it. So I'm only going to put a little bit. I can't even pick up my sides. So used to doing that, but I'm just going to give you guys a close-up. I'm scared to give y'all OD close-up, but here's a close-up of the closure that supposedly looks like a frontal. You know, I try my best. That's what I do with all my videos. I try my best. I'm not a hairstylist. This is for my liking, and yeah, you know, I feel like it looks a little calm and everything. The hair is very puffy though, like it's very puffy, but it works, you know. So guys, I'm just gonna give you guys a little rehash on this hair. This hair is from All Love Hair. It's a 24 inches 4x4 closure lace front wig. It is loose deep wave. We'll be wearing this unit again, so when I wear this unit again, it will be deep wave. If you guys are going to buy a 4x4, just make sure that you cover up these closure ends right here, because it's getting me tight. I'm going to beat my face, and I'm gonna be right back, and the video for the makeup beat will be on my channel soon. So guys, this is loose deep wave, and I was like actually questioning myself, like, why is it all puffy, and it was getting me tight. So I made it body wave, but I'm just gonna wet it and see what is loose deep wave, because I don't know what loose deep wave is. And how many wig reviews did I do? And I don't know what loose deep wave is. Ooh, it looks nice.
So you're supposed to wet it?
I was supposed to wet it. Wow. I'm just gonna let this dry up, and then I'm gonna put my coconut milk on it. I feel really dumb. This is how it's supposed to look, and this is loose deep wave. I thought it was body wave, so I curled the hair, but it still looked good as body wave. So with my mistake, you guys got to see how loose deep wave looks as body wave. The hair is still wet because, you know, I just wet it and everything, but this right here is going to keep the wave intact, you know, keep the hair looking wavy as it's supposed to. And that's exactly why I was wondering why it was so puffy as body wave, is because it's loose deep wave. This is how the ends look. You know, you see, I thought it was all crazy because like I thought it was body wave and it was curling all dumb, but no, it's not. It's loose deep waves. Let me know y'all opinions. I want you guys to engage in my videos. Just anything that comes to your mind when you're watching my video, comment it down below because I'm very curious to know. And if it's anything bad, I don't care. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back. So guys, I went to do my makeup. The video for this beat will be on my channel real soon, but forget about the beat right now. Let's talk about the hair. After I put my coconut milk and my water, this is how the hair ended up looking. This is day 2 and it's very cute. Like, I can't believe it went right back in the style. So I just gave you guys proof. That you can turn loose deep wave into like a body wave wig if you wanted to. So guys, this is how the unit ended up looking. This is how a 4x4 can look into a frontal, you know. Guys, I tried my very best to turn this 4x4 into a frontal. Let me know down below if I did achieve that look. And just another rehash, this hair is from All Love Hair. It is 24 inches, loose deep wave, 4x4 closure. And yeah, this hair texture is nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.